What is agency and why is it important? That's what we're discussing today. Welcome to Table Talks. I'm Carla Knight with Coldwell Banker Denver West. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about real estate with market tips or ideas surrounding the subject. If you have questions in regards to this, reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram at Selling Dwelling CO or LinkedIn and my website at Carla Knight Homes. I will respond to you directly or make a video. You might have heard about the NAR lawsuit that made waves in the past few weeks. The questions I'm receiving are more about not understanding the agency agreement when you hire a real estate professional. Whether they are a realtor or a non-affiliated real estate agent, what does all this mean? Because we don't know how the NAR lawsuit is going to play out or how they're going to put it into place, I'm not going to make statements about the lawsuit. But understanding how agency works, what you're agreeing to contractually, is more important. 3 agency relationships exist in Colorado: a buyer's agent, a seller's agent, and a transactional agent. What agency comes down to is working solely to the benefit of the client to promote the client's interest in utmost good faith, loyalty, and fidelity. The way I explain it to my clients when we're discussing things is, you tell me where your goalpost is in every situation, and I find a way to get you there, or as close as the negotiation can get you to the end zone. As a client, it is your best interest in signing an exclusive right to buy listing contract. The name states listing, but it's a buyer's agency agreement. It states who you are working with, a list of duties, additional duties, and compensation for your agent. Being an agent means taking your ego out of the decisions that your clients are making. You advise on outcomes that you know or think might happen on each scenario, or if they are unsure, you can advise on a situation on what would make you more comfortable if you were making the decision. And in order to do that, you need to keep up with so many things. Market trends, knowing how to write in offers that compete, along with understanding the parameters of the contracts you're signing or you're asking others to sign, along with some ideas on the making of the house itself and what that looks like. So how do you measure success in this? How much information does your prospective agent give you on the intake meeting? Is everything transparent? Can they answer your questions that come up from the information you are given? Do they take the time to go over the buyer's agency agreement as well as all the duties they provide you while working together? What distinguishes them from other agents? They should have a list of things that they do for buyers that is in practice and in place. Once you're finished with that meeting, you should be feeling a good amount of rapport with that person, the agent that you're hiring, as you complete it and you go take a look at your first home. If you're wondering what distinguishes my services from others, reach out for a quick chat. I'm always ready to chat real estate and see if we can get you into a home or a pathway towards home ownership. Give me a call. Thanks and have a great day.